My name is Chidi, Ikenna, Amobi. I am from Ogidi in Anambra State of Nigeria. I am an African, a proud African. I am proud to be an African. I am proud to come from Africa. I am proud to have lived in Africa. I am proud to know my language. I am proud to identify with my people as Africans. Thank God I am in Africa. I don't know about you. In Africa we have a lot of things. In Africa, Africa is a deposit of wonderful potentials from God. We have a lot of gifts from God. We have a lot of potentials in Africa. We have a lot of things which, if we become proud of ourselves, if we harness it and promote our being, I think we are becoming the best and the greatest in the world. I am an African. I support my language. I promote my language. I promote my culture. The way we dress, the way we eat, the way we talk, I promote them all. I want you to start promoting your own. If you think of becoming an advocate of your language, of your culture, if you can tell the world that this is who you are, that this is what you have, that this is the treasures in Africa that you have in your locality, that you have in your community, that you have in your region. Promoting Africa should be one of the first things you should be thinking of. Should be one of the first things you should do. If we promote ourselves, if we make ourselves better, if we bring ourselves to the world, then we become proud of ourselves. Let us promote Africa. Thank you. My name is Chidi, Ikenna, Amobi. I am a proud African.